Okay, this is gonna be shot after the fact, but this morning I worked out with, let me take off these glasses. Take two without the glasses for it. Okay, this is gonna be shot after the fact because it was too dark this morning to record the intro, but this morning I worked out with JU Navy Cadets from Jacksonville University at Temple Gym and Fitness. We had a 6 a.m. boot camp, had a great time, met some great people, and we definitely got a good workout in. So hope you enjoyed the video, got some good GoPro footage. See ya.
Command Master Chief for the last 6 years of my duty station, made Master Chief for 14 years. You don't see that a lot. I'm bad, but that's what I'm trying to tell you. Anyway, so. Alright, so first thing we're going to do, we're going to get a nice little good stretch in first. And after we get our stretch in, we're going to do a slight little warm up. And then we're going to move. Everybody got me? Sure. Alright, here we go. First thing first, we're going feet together, straight down, touch them onions and bunions. Everybody got it? Right.
I don't got no.
Knees up, protect everybody ready? Here we go, set, begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. Getting easy, huh? It's real easy.
Stuff. I am retired Navy, 23 years. I was a senior chief postmate when I retired. So, I know what y'all are going through. It's fun, isn't it? It's a party. But anyway, we're gonna have some fun today. We've got a couple different exercises we're gonna do. We're gonna rotate through. You're gonna pair up with somebody, okay?
I'm gonna grab a heavier.
All right, 1, 2, let's go.
Oh man, I would get in trouble. I was like, all right, Captain. Like, not SpongeBob, not SpongeBob.
15 seconds to begin. Get your water if you need it. 3, 2, 1, go!
If you need a water break, get a water break. Take it with you. Where did you finish, Jack? No, that wasn't. Not going that way, Phil. Come on, let's go. Let's go. No more walking. No walk. Let's go.
Alright guys, first exercise, it's gonna be jump squat side to side. Alright, you start here, and you go.
Okay,
Right?
stagger. Yeah.
The other person, how many you are?
I think 9, right? 6.
Every time at the middle. Another person here.
She be in a group.
Come over here.
Down here. Let's go. Come on, Alright, first thing we got here, alright, going 2 feet, high knees through the ladder. So I'm going 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. We're going through that tone. Right here, hurdles. We're going 2 feet hopping first, 2 feet hopping, and then we sprint through home, okay? Once we get to the top, everybody went through all of it, then I'm gonna change the drill up, alright? So let me know when everybody done went through hurdles and ladder. So I'm gonna have one over here, one over there, and y'all just rotate through both of them, alright? Let me know when we get back to the top.
Oh wait, all together? I think we can do both.
5 seconds. 5 seconds. Everybody go. Good. That's it. Go to the hurdle. Go to the ladder. Good. Come on, work. Good. Get to my cone. Let me know everybody went through it once. Alright, next, here we go. We got Icky stepping through my ladder, doing crawls back and forth through my ladder, over here with the hurdle, forward, right Here we go. Hey, you going left foot and do this? Going right foot and do. Here we go. Right, left, go. Left foot hop, do. Left foot hop, go. Work. Rotate.
How much we got here?
35, that's going to be about 45, 75,
I'm gonna do that one. Where is this? Oh, this one has a heavier bar. Okay, it's like the same weight. Huh? I thought it was a 45 bar.
Good job, guys. Go to one. Way to go, motivated. Good job. Come on. Cool down strict. All right, so we're on the back end of the workout. Okay, so we're going to get you a nice core work. I know it's summertime. Y'all ready to get them a six-pack? Yeah, baby. Yeah. See you go. Okay, I'm sorry. Y'all ain't none of them people outside the beach yesterday because I was thinking they need to be in the gym. No, yeah. Hoorah! 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 Ha! Ha! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Sounds good. I like that. One time for JU. Carry on. 1, 2, 3. JU. 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 Are y'all hyped yet? Yeah. Are y'all hyped yet? Yeah. Are you ready? Always ready. Always ready. Are you ready? Always ready. Are you ready? Always ready. Are you ready? Always ready. On your feet. Oh. Woo! I got lightning in the bottle. On your back. On your booty. On your feet. Oh. On your front. Push up position. On your back. Stand up. On your back. Oh yeah. Here we go. Everybody on your back. You're going feet straight up in the air. And reach up and touch those toes. Okay, back to the wings again. I hope. All right, back to the onions and fingers. We're going to reach up. We got toe touches. Y'all going to go. Keep going till I say stop. I don't want to see nobody stopping. I want to see you push. Everybody got legs. Here we go. Hey, go. Here we go. Touch them onions. Let's go. Work. Toe touch. Work. Come on. Our hands gonna be on our buttocks. You're going down 6 inches. Don't touch my ground. And you're going back up. Feet go down to 6. Come back up. Leg raise. Everybody know what leg raise is, right? Yeah, y'all should love these. Here we go. Let's go. Good. All the way out and back in. We on levels to this. There's levels to this. Whoa! It's levels to it. It ain't for everybody. It's easy. Everybody's free. Hey, that's my song. Come on now. Ready? Here we go. Side to side. Russian twist. There. Go. Side to side. Feet up in the air. You can. Hey, let's go through my arms. Twist that body. It's a Come on. It's mind over matter. You gotta push yourself. The body gonna say stop. Keep going. Go. Stop. She said she want me to die, y'all. Oh man. She said period. Good job, good job. Hey, now we're going hands and knees, hands and knees, hands and knees, hands and knees. Oh yeah.
Bring that right leg back. Bring your left leg up. Same thing. Drop the knee down. Reach up. Come up on your right leg. Shoot that left leg back. Back into a downward dog. Now we're going to go from here into a cobra pose. You're just going to drop down, push up. There you go. All right, I want everybody to close your eyes. I want you to put one hand on your chest, one hand on your stomach. We're going to do what's called box breathing, okay? You're going to listen to my count. You want your stomach to extend higher than your hand that's on your chest when you're breathing. So it's belly breathing, okay?
Okay, hey, first of all, first and foremost, I want to thank these awesome guys. I mean, the program that you saw today was the development of these two right here. And of course, you know, when Drip come into place, he put in his own little twist on it. I think that that's wonderful. And I want you guys to give them a hand for what they did today, I think. Thomas? Yes, sir. Okay, here we go. Jay, you on three. Jay, you on three. 1, 2, 3. Jay! Good job, guys. Good job.
Good morning. It's about 7 a.m. Spent the morning working out with some JU, I think, I don't want to say this right, maybe they're cadets. I know they're going to be going into the Navy. So we did a little boot camp this morning with the trainers at Temple Gym and Fitness. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to go home and edit this right now.